In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys a quick and easy way of how to restart your computer using a keyboard shortcut on your Windows computer. So this will be performed on a Windows 10 device, but will work for earlier versions of Windows as well. So we're going to jump into it. So all you have to do is hold down the Control, Alt, and the Delete keys on your keyboard at the same time. So again, Control, Alt, Delete. Once you have this screen that appears here, you have the ability to sign out of your computer. And if you want to completely restart your device, you go down to the bottom right corner here. You see a little power button. Left click on it, and then left click on this restart button. If you hover over it, it says closes all apps, turns off the PC, and then turns it on again. So just left click on restart here. You see it is going to restart the device, and it is as simple as that. So I do hope this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out. And as always, thank you for watching, and I look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.